Django request.session.get name, false. What does this code mean? I am using the following code. Can anyone please tell me what the above code does? What I assume is, if there is name in session it returns true, otherwise, it returns false. I'm confused with my code, so I posted this question here. Thanks.
If session has a key in it with a value name, it returns the value associated with that key, which might well be false. Otherwise, if there is no key named name, it returns false. The session is a dictionary-like type, so the best place to get documentation on the get method is in the Python docs for the standard library. The short of the matter is that get is shorthand for the following.
As per Django docs, the second argument of the get method is the default. So request.session.get name, false, statement returns the value of the name items if it exists in the session. If it doesn't, then a default of false is returned.